First is mag-apply tayo ng sunscreen to protect from sunlight. And I'm using a Prada sunscreen. Now is mag-apply na tayo ng foundation. I'm using a brush dahil wala yung itlog. Parang tawag doon. Make sure na na-blend mo mabuti para hindi magpuputi. At make sure na pantay yung mukha sa leeg baka mag-in. After na-blend mo mabuti is mag-apply na tayo ng blush na. And I'm using Lamel. From Shopee. After nun is maglalagay na tayo ng eyeshadow using Get Me. And I'm using the shade of light pink and the dark. Pag-mixing ko sila. And after nun is magka-curler na tayo. And for the mascara, I'm using this Lady Water Blue. After malagyan ng brush ng mga pisngi, is fix na natin ng mga using this brush only. Kasi wala ko yung pang-fix. Lipstick is and liquid. Napaubos ng liquid. Some lip tint na paubos na. And gagamit tayo ng setting powder para naman tumagal yung makeup kahit light lang. The final look, I'm using the makeup fixer spray. Di ka alam kung